Okay, this is the new Epomaker Click. Yes, you heard that right, a mouse from Epomaker. What's more, it's the first mouse from the company is launching on the market. Epomaker has always been known for its keyboard, super varied and of all kinds, but now it seems determined to make the big leap into the world of a mouse. And it does so with this model priced at $70, which at least on paper it's really impressive. But the question is, will it really be like this? For their first mouse, Epomaker really nailed it with a design that is, without a doubt, beautiful. There aren't many colors to choose from, black or white. The mouse is lightweight and super manageable. It has a symmetrical shape, fairly narrow and tapered, designed to be agile and comfortable. It fits practically all grip style, although it doesn't exaggerate ergonomic lines like other mice. The sides are well defined and offer good support for thumb and pinky, making it very comfortable even during longer gaming sessions. The profile is quite aggressive at the front, rises toward the middle with an accentuated up, offering excellent support for that, and then drops down toward the back with a smooth descent. When compared to the other mice, the shape and the profile are very similar to the Deluxe M600 and the SE SH01 Pro. But most notably, they almost perfectly overlap with the wood of a Razer Viper Mini. Looking at the measurement, the Epomaker Click is the longest at 121mm and the widest 63.6mm, but not the tallest, with 0.3mm less than the Razer Viper Mini. In terms of weight, it's 9g heavier than the Deluxe M600 and 3g heavier than the SE SH01 Pro, but 3g lighter than the Razer Viper Mini. In a sense, in terms of a shape, profile and size, it's a longer and a lighter Viper Mini. The build quality is really impressive. It's all plastic, but super solid. There is no sign of instability or cracking. The only thing I can say is there is a slight flex at the bottom right where the battery is located. The surface has a matte, slightly rugged finish which feels super pleasant to the touch. It provides a solid grip even with a slightly sweaty hand. Moreover, it's incredibly resistant to fingerprint. It also has a very balanced weight distribution, making it super stable. The left and the right button of the Epomaker Click are very ergonomic. They are wide with a good pressure surface, slightly curved to fit the natural shape of a finger, with a simple and clean line that ensure good grip and a feeling of stability and comfort. The side button have a groove along the axis, a detail I don't think I have ever seen on the other mice. This helps a lot to improve grip, making the side button easier to press. Both the main and the side button are reduced pre-travel and post-travel, allowing for immediate and precise click. Every press gave really satisfying feedback. Between the two main buttons, just in the front of the scroll wheel, there is the DPI selector with 2 buttons and a dedicated LED lighting. I found this super convenient, as it allows you to quickly switch from one DPI setting to another without having to scroll all the way around the return to the previous one. On the bottom, here and here, there are 2 large PTFE pads. Although they are made of Teflon, the feet are well built and offer excellent glide on any surface, with no friction easily. In the center of the Epomaker Click, to the right of a sensor, there is the multi-device connectivity button with free mode, 2.4 GHz wireless, wired and Bluetooth 5.0. To the left there are 2 buttons, one to switch between 2.4 GHz Bluetooth 1 and Bluetooth 2. Below that, finally, there is the button to select the desired pulling rate with its dedicated LED indicator. Inside, the Epomaker Click uses Omron D2FP FN2 switches for the main buttons As for side button, they are equipped with 1 green dot micro switches, which are also very precise. For the scroll wheel, a yellow F switch encoder with a green core has been used, and for the micro switch of the wheel, again 1 green dot micro switches. The Epomaker Click uses the PixArt PAW3915 gaming sensor, offering flawless movement and exceptional accuracy. This sensor can reach up to 32,000 dpi with a maximum tracking speed of up to 750 inches per second and an acceleration of 50G. With the included dongle, it can reach a pulling rate of 8,000 Hz. The sensor is managed by the main chip PAN 1080 UA3C. All of these is powered by a 500 mAh battery that lasts throughout the weekend without any issue. If the mouse is excellent, perhaps it's in the software where we can see the usefulness of Epomaker in the mouse field. The software used is the Epomaker Hub, the same one we use with their keyboard. The fact that you can customize all the peripherals through a single software is definitely a plus for Epomaker. It includes all main customization features. You can set macros, remap buttons, adjust the pulling rate up to 8,000 Hz, and change 6 different DPI steps to choose from, ranging from 50 to 32,000 dpi. That said, there are some options missing, such as lift-off distance, ripple control, motion sync, and the performance mode. Additionally, in my opinion, there are sections that could be combined to simplify the interface, such as the DPI page and the pulling rate page. However, I'm pretty confident and sure that the Epomaker guys will fix everything in the next software update. So, the Epomaker Click is a truly interesting product, especially considering it's the company first mouse. The mouse design is sleek and functional, featuring a symmetrical shape that fits perfectly with different grip styles, making it comfortable and manageable. The build is solid with a balanced weight distribution. In terms of performance, the PixArt PAW3950 sensor and the 8,000 Hz dongle offer exceptional accuracy, making the click extremely responsive. Every click is precise and immediate, with the scroll wheel smooth and precise, contributing to a fast and immersive game experience. Of course, it's a real shame that Epomaker Hub software isn't complete, but it has all the main settings that most users use daily, and they will surely improve it with next update. Despite this small flaw, in the end, the Epomaker Click is a surprisingly solid mouse at $70, and most importantly, a more than excellent start for Epomaker in the world of a gaming mouse. I truly believe that we'll sell a ton of these. And you, what do you think of a new Epomaker Click? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Huge thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.